I'm going to cut the steek down there, and so you can see that I've already crocheted this side of the steek. Now the crochet line there does two jobs. One, it stops the knitting from running, but two, it actually gives quite a nice fold. The knitting will actually naturally want to fold back to create the hem when that goes on there. I'll just show you a close-up of me crocheting along the seam. So I've got this folded over and I'm putting the needle between two pieces of black yarn. So it's the V that's running down the middle of those. So I'm just going, I don't know what it's called actually, because I don't really know much about crochet. My brother is the crocheter in our family and I'm the knitter. So I'm just pulling that through there and pulling that through there. That's it. That's the stitch that I'm using, whatever. This is probably just the simplest crochet stitch. I've got no idea what it's called. So last night I crocheted either side, finished crocheting either side of the steek, and now I'm going to cut the steek open. So here I go. The actual cutting of the steek is not a particularly, and I'm not being too careful, just trying to cut it down the middle. I've got quite a lot of yarn on the back there, which is where I've changed colours, but when I come to sewing it up, I'll just sew those into the hem. So yeah, I'm not being too sort of fussy. I'm just cutting it. So there we go. So this will be the first time that I've seen it. So I just want to show you there how that crocheted, which is the hem, the crocheted hem, wants to fold over. So you've got a nice edge. So I'm capturing some of the yarn there, and I'm just coming through there, which is by the purled bit of rib. And then I'll just keep going. So that's the idea. So I'm just coming up to the last few stitches now. Joe, can you just show the... So I've gone all the way along. It's quite tidy already. So now I'm going to go back that way. So I'll just come out first. So again, I'm just picking them up on the back. So this time they'll go in the opposite direction. So they're going in that direction. I suppose you could, if you wanted to, try and line them up so they were nice tidy crosses, but I don't really bother. Okay, so I'm just coming to this end now, and just a few more stitches, and I'll just tidy that end up. The hem. So there it is. And I haven't been too tidy, I did it quite quickly. And then the other side. Job done, I think.